Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ben. We're going to do an amazing open box for a different type of product today. It is the Anespa DX by Enagic. Enagic does almost all these different products for water and how water can benefit your life. And basically, what this shower is, a little into it, is just a little question is, if you shower in your shower right now, you're getting basically chlorine on your body. If you dip your hand in chlorine water, the skin will literally absorb all the chlorine into your skin. What this machine is, what's so good about it, is here's the base of the machine right here, as you guys can see. The base actually collects mostly 100% of the residual chlorine in your tap water. So research shows that if your skin touches chlorine tap water, it's gonna go in your body. You can get a bunch of, sickness from chlorine, as you probably already know. And what's good about this, it takes the chlorine and it makes it into a hot spring shower. So this is the base right here. Inside, if you open the base, you will get the cartridge, the cartridge is this big, and also this skinny filter little thing here, cartridge right here, is a ceramic cartridge, and basically it's ceramic balls. So it produces this amazing, fresh, mineral hot spring water right in your shower. You can connect it in your shower, hot water, and makes it feel so good. And everything that comes in the box, I'm going to show you here, is the hose. The shower hose, supply hose, everything in here. And also the manual. The manual right there, as you can see, all the instructions if you want to know more in depth about the shower. Gives you this little manual right here, shows you what I was talking about, how the chlorine and how the base operates with the chlorine water, and how it actually turns into a mineral hot spring water, which is amazing. And the shower also comes with a shower head. It is a 4-mode shower head. So we're going to show you guys in another video on how to install this amazing shower. But if you're interested, I will leave you guys in the link on below on how to purchase it, how to buy it. You can reach out to me on how to buy one of these. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the bell, and also, I'm going to have more open box videos later in the future. So go ahead and leave in the comment if you tried this shower before, or you have other advices of what kind of open box videos you guys want me to do. But until then, talk to you guys later, and I'll see you on the next video.